Good evening, hello everyone, and welcome to the Joneses. This is Amber and myself, Anthony. And it's been quite a while since we've been on, so we thought we would come on and say hello to everyone. With all that's going on, we are stuck at home a lot more recently, so decided to pick up a new hobby. That new hobby has been bird watching and gardening. As you can see, we have one of our I guess we can call it our raised flower beds behind us, which is full of all types of string beans and green beans, or whatever you want to call them, and some peppers and just an assortment of different vegetables. We have quite the assortment of vegetables right now. We feel like farmers. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We just wanted to come on and just say hello to everyone. It's been quite a while. Amber here is had a birthday during this quarantine. She turned 8. So many of you all on this Twitter and the communities that we're a part of shared in her birthday via the internet and sending your greetings to her. So Amber, what's school like right now?
It's fine. I love math. we work as partners. We do math work.
Okay.
And science.
So she's not in the classroom. She's doing all of this by way of social media and computers. That's where we are right now in this technical era. We wish we were in Florida at our home away from home. As you can see, right now I have on a Universal Orlando's t-shirt, and hope to be getting back there soon. Today is Memorial Day, so if you're watching this, happy Memorial Day to all of our veterans and those who have served our country in one capacity or another. Again, we just wanted to come on and say hello. This is not going to be a long, lengthy intro. We're going to be sharing some of our birds and just some of the things we've been sitting and doing. Today wasn't as active as normal. We have a little woodpecker, a little Downy Woodpecker that we've been keeping an eye on. We've had, I think, one hummingbird come through and say hello to us, and we have a family of Cardinals and some Blue Jays. And again, today we didn't grab all of them today, but I'll put in some pictures and just so you guys can see, as you can hear them in the background. They wanted to be in the video. They're chirping away right now as we're talking. So again, stay tuned, stay safe. We love you guys, and we are welcome to the Joneses. right, guys, again, so thanks for tuning in. Today's video was just a quick introduction to bird watching if you haven't picked that hobby up during this pandemic. And again, we're going to be spending a lot of time sitting here on our porch, and we decided to bring you guys right into our home in the Washington, D.C. area. So again, we are welcome to the Joneses, and we will catch you guys next time. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the little ring bell so that you can get notified when we uplift new videos. And you want to say anything, Amber?
No.
All right, guys, stay safe. We love you guys. See you next time.